So, what is a septic tank kit? A septic tank and soakaway kit is a small, non-electric sewage system that fits neatly and discreetly into your garden. So what do you get with a septic tank kit? You get a shallow dig septic tank, you get an inspection chamber, you get the drainage field crates, the pipework and the membrane. There's no concrete needed, no electricity needed, and it only takes a few hours to install. So how do you know what size septic tank kit you need? It's really easy. These government kits are based on the number of bedrooms you've got. So if you've got 3 or 4 bedrooms, you'd go for the 3 to 4 bedroom septic tank soakaway kit. Would you like more information? Have a look at this. The amazing septic tank and soakaway kit is an incredible product. Not only will it save you thousands and thousands of pounds in installation costs, but it's also really easy to install and it's building regs compliant and it fits neatly into any garden. So what's included in this amazing septic tank and soakaway kit? Well, it comes with absolutely everything. It comes with a heavy-duty shallow dig septic tank, no concreting required. It also comes with a German inspection chamber, all the pipework and all the connections. And it also comes with the septic tank drainage field crates with free membrane. And the best part is, it only takes a few hours to install. So how do you install the amazing septic tank and soakaway kit? You put the pipe in the first trench and this will come from the house into the first hole. Into that hole, then you put the septic tank and connect the pipe to it. Then you connect the inspection chamber to the pipes, which then just slot straight into the septic tank. Then you insert the drainage field crates into the hole and put the pipe from the inspection chamber in to one of the drainage field crates. Then you cover with membrane. That's it. Job done. This septic tank and soakaway kit is easy to install. It will save you thousands in installation costs. And it can be installed in any size garden, small, medium or large.